All right, good morning, Idea Montopolis College Prep. This is Mr. Cotto with your morning announcements. Today is a wonderful Wednesday, April the 28th. Today is a B Day. Please join me for today's pledges. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Now please remain standing for a moment of silence. All right. So again, snacks are back. You see the snack cart help out. All the money that you give towards the cart comes back to us, comes back to y'all. So again, help out, help yourselves out by picking up something from the snack cart. All right, happy birthday. No birthdays today, right? So we just wish everybody a great day. Hope everybody has a great day. All right, so again, just say no, but sometimes it's not that easy. We do want everybody to stay away from drugs, but again, we know that just saying no isn't always that easy, either for ourselves or the loved ones around us. But if we do find ourselves in that situation, we do want us to stay safe. We want to stay safe and away from drugs. So if you or someone you know is in danger, feel free to talk to a friend or trusted adult. We do have some resources on the screen there. Austin Rehab at the tiny URL link there, and then the hotline number posted right there as well. So again, if you or a loved one or someone close to you is struggling with substance abuse or addiction, there is help out there, and we do want everybody to stay safe and to stay away from drugs. So with that said, we move on. All right, so calculators, if you've got one, you borrowed it from the school, all right, please return them. And go ahead and pause this here. Again, we've been saying this for months, guys. If they're out there, please bring them in. You can reach out to the following adults there at the bottom. All right, be kind to your mind. Again, stress, very stressful part of the year for everybody across the board. I don't think there's a single person in the building who's not dealing with this in some way, shape, or form. Now, that being said, it can be very challenging. And, if you feel like you use some camaraderie and, be around some other like-minded folks, go ahead and join our college prep anxiety group. And you can go ahead and message Miss Williams on Teams or like the message in your grade level Move This World tab. So again, please go ahead and join our college prep anxiety group, and more information by messaging Miss Williams or leaving a message in your grade level Move This World tab. All right, prom's coming up Friday, May 14th. Right here you have prom photos from 2019. But this location this year is going to be a lot nicer than what we did a couple of years ago. So, again, $20 if you haven't paid up yet. There, the handle is right there for Venmo. So go ahead and pay up with them. All right. So become a mentor. Juniors, seniors, if you feel that you can pass down some valuable experience to our 9th and 10th graders, go ahead and sign up right there at that tiny URL. Same thing with our 9th and 10th graders. If you feel that you could use some guidance and experience from our 11th and 12th graders, sign up right there as well. Community service hours are available. All right, so have you looked at your grades recently? Because if you haven't, we're kind of getting close to the end here. And we all know that we need at least a 70 to pass. If you don't pass, we do have to come to summer school, and we don't go to summer school in some cases. In a lot of cases, we may have to repeat that class the following year. So again, if we're failing 2 or more classes, we're not on track to graduate high school in 4 years, and that's what we want for everybody, right? So finish on time. So attendance, it's important. We need you here. We want you here. And again, this is Texas law. The Texas Education Code is quoted right there. And that equates to you being here 90% of the time. You can't miss more than 18 days of school. So be here. We want you here. All right, middle school schedule, high school schedule, 9th and 10th, 11th and 12th. Questions, go ahead and text us at the number there. Go ahead and text us at the number there during normal school hours, and follow us on Facebook. Follow us on Facebook to keep up with all school-wide updates. All right, Bulldogs are determined, optimistic, generous, and strong. And if no one tells you this today, remember, y'all, that we love you, we believe in you, and we always will. Please advocate for yourselves. Ask your teachers what you're missing. Ask what you have to do if you're failing. And with that, it's time for Move This World. Have a great day, everybody.